Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into why the Realme X is the ultimate dream phone for anyone who loves cutting-edge tech. Buckle up as we explore its key features and why it stands out in the crowded smartphone market. First up, let's talk about design. The Realme X is crafted with premium materials, featuring a sleek combination of glass and metal that not only looks luxurious but feels amazing in hand. It's lightweight and has curved edges, making it super comfortable for prolonged use. Plus, you've got vibrant color options like Aurora Green, Lunar Silver, and Cosmic Blue to match your style. Now let's get into the display. The Realme X sports a 6.4-inch high-resolution display with 1080x2400 pixels. Colors pop, and images are sharp, thanks to its peak brightness of 800 nits. For the gamers out there, the 120Hz refresh rate is a game-changer, providing smooth animations and quick response times. And don't worry about eye strain, the built-in blue light filter has got you covered. Under the hood, the Realme X packs a punch with its Snapdragon 778G processor. This means seamless multitasking and a lag-free gaming experience. It comes with fast RAM options and UFS technology for quick data access, making it a powerhouse for any tech enthusiast. Just check out these benchmark scores, an impressive 600,000 on Antutu, putting it ahead of many competitors. Camera lovers, rejoice! The Realme X features a versatile camera system with a 48MP main camera, an ultra-wide lens for those epic landscapes, and a macro lens for close-up shots. Plus, the advanced night mode and optical image stabilization ensure you get stunning photos even in low light. Battery life is another area where the Realme X shines. With a massive 5,000 mAh battery, you're good to go all day. And with 120W fast charging, you can get hours of use from just a few minutes of charging. The software experience on the Realme X is equally impressive. It features a user-friendly interface with customizable themes and regular updates to keep things fresh and secure. Connectivity-wise, the Realme X supports 5G and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds. It also includes Bluetooth 5.0, NFC support for easy payments, and a 3.5mm audio jack for your traditional headphones. And here's the kicker, all these features come at a competitive price of $300 to $350, making it a fantastic value compared to pricier alternatives. Don't just take my word for it. Users rave about its stunning display, fast performance, and excellent camera capabilities. Experts like TechRadar and CNET have given it high marks, praising its balance of features and affordability. So if you're in the market for a feature-packed, budget-friendly smartphone, the Realme X should be at the top of your list. Make sure to check it out online or in stores, and keep an eye out for special offers to get the best deal. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech reviews.